If your bathroom space is short like mine, this over-the-door organizer just made my life a whole lot easier.
So this comes with everything. You won't need any tools, you won't need to drill, and it's nothing complicated. So you literally just hang this up and slide in the rod to keep it sturdy, and that's it. So there's 5 tiers and there's 10 mesh pockets total on the sides. And I love that there's room for taller bottles, perfect for my shampoo, my skincare, even towels. It's holding a lot more than I expected. This thing is built to hold up to 80 pounds, so I don't have to worry about it sagging. This seriously made my bathroom a lot more organized and cleared off my countertops. It made everything easier to grab.
If you're looking for a no-drill way to organize your bathroom and it still looks cute, then you should definitely check this one out.